reach the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right, 'cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth a try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel blue. But how can I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still end up thinking of you? And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as the leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be...
Ikaw naman yung answer.
Lagyan mo ng kurot.
Konting emosyon.
Konting emosyon.
Fuck! Ako, di alam lyrics.
Puro ganun lang siya. Kaya oh. Ano ba yan? Matatalo tayo niyan. Painom na siya, Ting.
Kulang sa kurot, kulang sa kurot. Kulang sa bigit, tay. Kulang sa bigit, kulang sa bigit.
Kaya nababatas na na rice cooker eh. Emosyon, kulang.
Emosyon lang ba? Umiyak na lang din.
Alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. I never thought that I would see the day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it right?
You feel me, follow the voice. You take the pictures of me. Now I'm gonna find my own.
Anyanyari. Ayan, si bakla.
Ang bago, bait ah. Bait siya. Patulorin na ako.
That no matter what happens, we try to make it right. Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of dreams, and all will be alright in time.
Walang papaalam, bobo.
Ba't nagbabalik yung mukha mo? Isda ka ba? May kaliskis yung mukha niya. Patingin nga. Okay lang, maganda. Yes, ano na, kinilig na siya. Tingin.
Waves overgrown, come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Wounds of the past will eventually heal, and all will be alright.
Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin. Sa'yo ang inumin. Sa'yo ang inumin.
Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. You learn to forgive. Learn to forgive.
Don't wish your girlfriend was hot like me. Don't you wish your girlfriend was sweet like me? Don't you? Don't you, baby, don't you? Don't you wish your girlfriend was wrong like me?
Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction. Oh, beautiful release. Memories seep from my veins. Let me be find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room and the endlessness that you fear. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. So
Lamay ka pa! Lamay ka pa! Huli! Orsan!
tied up in a straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. Storm keeps on.
Sinyo, ayan.
Mga mentor mo.
Lamig.
Ay,
Ay, oo, naganda. Oo.
ng puso ay damdamin ko na.
Perfect.
Ng buhay. Papatalo. Go, laban. Di virgin ka? Laksa mo. Ako na.
Laban siya, laban.
Sabay tayo dyan, hindi naman
Panot! Halika na! Sakay na! Ika na sunod, Dwayne. Oh, durama mo na yan. Para...
Duramo.
Yan.
Yan.
Keep on building the lies that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference. Escape one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness, all this glorious sadness that brings me to my knees in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room and the endlessness.
Ang pera natin, hindi basta-basta mauubos. Pero ang pasensya ko, konting-konti na lang!
Twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Stop.
I've never been so certain. I've never been so sure. We're on the side of angels if we believe this love is pure. Is it so hard to trust it? 'Cause we've been wrong before. There comes a time in every life we find the heart where we Kulang ang panahon, di sapat ang meron tayo ngayon. Pwede ba humiling isa pang araw sa pagsikat?